Say hello, fearless flyers.
Good life.
This is the most important exercise. It's not the destination, but the flight that matters.
Have booked us on a flight to Iceland. Exotic, right?
That lump of volcanic rock in the North Atlantic.
David, come back. You're a fearless flyer.
Once we reach the destination, we'll wait there for a couple of hours, and then we'll pop back in.
I'm not afraid of flying.
What on earth are you doing here, then?
It's Alphonse. He was so afraid he refused to sign up unless I came with him.
What the fuck? Dear guests, it is now time for the safety demonstration.
All it takes is one little bird to get sucked into the engine of an aircraft.
I just survived the most terrifying flight of my life.
Our flight has been delayed 9 hours.
Apparently, there was a partial breakdown in one of the engines.
They've arranged a wellness hotel for us to gather ourselves and prepare for this evening.
To take that flight tonight would be nothing less than suicide.
No matter what the others decide, okay, we're taking that flight tonight.
If you want to fly, spread your wings.
I have never felt so alive.
Ah! I want to go home!
In the middle of fucking nowhere.
It's a little bit foggy in London, so...
Oh, yes, there's definitely something foggy going on here.